10 strange creatures you didn't know exist. Number 10. Armadillo. Look at this armadillo collecting leaves. Their unique body structure makes carrying objects tricky, yet they manage to collect everything they need to build a cozy nest. These cuties are the experts of self-defense. When danger looms, they curl into a nearly impenetrable ball, shielding their delicate underbelly. But there's more to these fascinating creatures than their armor. They're exceptional diggers, using powerful claws to burrow into the ground, and they're surprisingly good swimmers, crossing rivers and lakes with ease. Pretty impressive, right? Despite their tough exterior, armadillos are gentle creatures, and they can be quite curious. They love exploring and foraging for insects during the day, especially in lush, food-rich areas. With around 20 species, from the giant armadillo to the tiny pink fairy armadillo, each one boasts its own unique adaptations, making them some of nature's most captivating creatures. Number 9. False killer whale. This is the false killer whale. You might think it's a whale, but it's actually a massive species of dolphin. Look at that sleek dark gray body and that slightly bulbous head. These guys are seriously impressive. They're incredibly social, living in huge pods that can have hundreds of members. You'll see them breaching the surface, leaping and diving in a mesmerizing display of synchronized movements. These pods are complex social structures with strong bonds between individuals. These dolphins are top predators, meaning they're at the top of the food chain. They're fierce hunters, taking down fish and squid with incredible speed and precision, and sometimes they even go after other marine mammals. They are known for their incredible intelligence. They've been observed using sophisticated hunting techniques, such as herding prey into tight schools before launching coordinated attacks. These intelligent animals are a true marvel of the ocean. Number 8. Tropical Royal Flycatcher. The Tropical Royal Flycatcher is a truly spectacular bird. Look at this small, perky bird with a striking fan-shaped crest that it can erect at will. This is the Tropical Royal Flycatcher. In males, this crest is a dazzling display of red with blue tips, while females sport a more subdued yellow or orange. This isn't just for show. The crest plays a crucial role in courtship displays and territorial disputes. These birds are found in the lush rainforests of Central and South America, where they flit through the canopy in search of insects. They are known for their acrobatic flight and their ability to snatch prey mid-air, capable of making sudden twists and turns to capture insects on the wing. Unfortunately, these beautiful birds are facing increasing threats due to habitat loss caused by deforestation. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these magnificent creatures and the vibrant ecosystems they call home. Number 7. Spiny Mole Crab. This little guy, resembling a cross between a crab and a mole, is a true sea oddball. It's the Spiny Mole Crab, or sand crab. The crab's appearance is as functional as it is unusual. Its spiny armored shells are perfectly suited for burrowing deep into the sand. This armor helps them evade predators, particularly the sharp-eyed seabirds that patrol the shores in search of an easy meal. With its ability to disappear beneath the sand in seconds, this crab is a master of hide and seek. They're completely blind, so they navigate their environment by relying on other senses, such as touch and vibrations. Using their long, spindly legs and strong pincers, they dig through the sand with incredible efficiency. These same tools are used to snatch tiny prey, such as plankton and organic debris. Their lives are spent almost entirely beneath the sand, emerging only briefly to grab food or adjust their position. This behavior not only keeps them safe, but also makes them efficient hunters in an environment where stealth is key to survival. Number 6. Silky Anteater. This tiny creature is the Silky Anteater, the smallest anteater in the world. These adorable animals are perfectly adapted for life in the trees. They're incredibly agile climbers, using their long, prehensile tails to swing effortlessly from branch to branch. Their sharp claws provide a secure grip, allowing them to navigate the rainforest canopy with ease. These nocturnal creatures spend their days sleeping in cozy tree hollows. As night falls, they emerge to hunt for their favorite food, insects. Their long, sticky tongues are perfectly designed for slurping up ants and termites, which they can consume in astonishing numbers. Silky Anteaters are solitary creatures, preferring to live alone in their own territories. Unfortunately, their habitat is being threatened by deforestation and human encroachment, putting their future at risk. These gentle creatures play an important role in their ecosystem, helping to control insect populations and maintain the balance of nature. Number 5. Horseshoe Crab. This is the horseshoe crab, a living fossil that has roamed the oceans for over 450 million years, long before dinosaurs walked the earth. However, don't let the name fool you. These are not true crabs. They're more closely related to spiders and scorpions, which explains those creepy crawly legs. Equipped with 10 spiny legs, they grip the seabed as they navigate the ocean floor. A powerful spined tail acts as a rudder, propelling them forward as they tirelessly search for prey, crushing clams and devouring worms. Their bodies are encased in a rigid horseshoe-shaped shell, a formidable shield against the dangers of the deep. Beneath this armor lies a complex machine, perfectly adapted for life on the ocean floor. Segmented plates adorn their backs, and a menacing spine-like tail protrudes from their rear, a formidable weapon against predators. They are typically found in shallow coastal waters, where they spend most of their time buried in the sand. Using their spiny legs, they meticulously sift through the sand, searching for buried prey with an almost uncanny precision. Number 4. Buru Babirusa. This is probably the weirdest pig on Earth. The Buru Babirusa is a truly bizarre creature whose tusks grow through the roof of its mouth. These wild pigs are exclusive to the Indonesian island of Buru, and only the males have these unique upward curving tusks, which can even pierce their own skulls if they grow unchecked. The Indonesian archipelago was born from fiery volcanic eruptions. Millions of years ago, a piece of what's now Buru broke away from the mainland, taking animals and isolating them, evolving into the unique creatures we see today. The Babirusa is a perfect example. These pigs are unlike any other. They're completely hairless, and instead of having big litters, they usually only have 1 or 2 piglets. Makes sense, right? With no big predators, there's no need to have a big litter. And then there are those amazing tusks. Scientists still debate their purpose. Could they be used to attract females? Maybe. Or perhaps for protecting their eyes during fights. Whatever their function, these tusks are a testament to the incredible power of evolution and the astonishing diversity of life on our planet. Number 3. Slipper Lobster. This creature looks like a cross between a lobster and a slipper. Sounds bizarre, right? Well, that's exactly what a slipper lobster is. These quirky crustaceans are masters of disguise. They spend most of their time clinging to rocks and corals, often covered in sponges or algae. They are incredible mimics, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Now, here's the interesting part. Slipper lobsters are actually hermit crabs. They've evolved to shed their need for a borrowed shell. Instead, they've developed a hard, calcified plate that covers their abdomen, providing the same protection as a hermit crab's shell. These masters of disguise come in a dazzling array of colors and patterns, making them a feast for the eyes. Some are vibrant reds and oranges, while others are camouflaged in shades of brown and green. Slipper lobsters are fascinating creatures that remind us of the incredible diversity of life in our oceans. Number 2. Conehead Mantis. The Conehead Mantis isn't just a cool name, it's an accurate description. These incredible creatures really do have this striking conical projection on their heads. It's almost like they're wearing a tiny helmet. But it's not just for show. That headpiece, along with their incredibly long feathery antennae, play a crucial role in their survival. They are masters of camouflage. In fact, the unusual shape and those feathery antennae help them blend seamlessly into their Mediterranean environments, looking more like a bizarre plant than a predator, making them nearly invisible to predators and prey alike. And the best part? They're incredibly patient hunters. They'll remain motionless for hours, their keen eyesight and those sensitive antennae detecting the slightest movement of potential prey. But when the moment strikes, they're lightning fast. Those spiny forelimbs snap shut with incredible speed, capturing their prey with deadly accuracy. Flies, grasshoppers, even other mantises, nothing is safe from the conehead's hunting prowess. Number 1. Puffin. This is the puffin, a charismatic seabird with a personality as big as its colorful beak. These adorable birds are expert divers. They plunge into the icy waters of the North Atlantic with incredible speed and agility, using their powerful wings to propel themselves through the water like underwater torpedoes, chasing after fish and other small prey. On land, they might appear a bit clumsy, waddling along on their short legs with their stubby wings flapping awkwardly. But in the air, they're a sight to behold. Watch them take flight, their small wings flapping furiously as they soar effortlessly above the waves. Puffins are known for their distinctive calls, a series of honks and clucks that help them communicate, especially during the breeding season. They nest in burrows on cliffs and islands, forming large colonies. And let's not forget those iconic colorful beaks, which they meticulously groom, using them to impress potential mates in a dazzling display of courtship. Which animal surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification on so you won't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time!